Imagine a top security prison where the escape doesn't involve tunneling or overpowering guards. Instead, it involves hiding inside a dirty laundry cart and paying $2 million to get out. Today, we uncover how Joaquin El Chapo Guzman vanished from a Mexican jail using this audacious method. On January 19, 2001, Joaquin Guzman was held in a maximum security facility, known as La Nave. Despite the heavy surveillance, he orchestrated an escape that would shock the world, proving that intelligence and money could outsmart even the tightest locks. The plan was deceptively simple, yet incredibly risky. A prison guard named Francisco El Chito Camberos Rivera unlocked Guzman's electronically operated cell door. Guzman then climbed into a trolley, specifically designed for transporting dirty laundry. This wasn't just a random cart, it was part of a massive corruption scheme. Reports indicate Guzman paid approximately $2 million in bribes to the staff. This money ensured that maintenance worker Javier Camberos would push the full laundry car all the way out of the secure gate. Once outside the walls, the escape was far from over. The getaway vehicle waited with the cart, but the most critical moment happened inside the room itself. An awaiting helicopter was prepared to extract Guzman instantly once he emerged from the laundry. This first escape highlighted a terrifying reality. Corruption goes deep. It wasn't just one bad apple. It was a coordinated effort where guards and maintenance workers were willing to risk their lives for cash. The laundry cart became the ultimate disguise. This audacious maneuver allowed Guzman to disappear from custody for over a year before being recaptured. It set the stage for his future escapes and remains one of the most famous prison breaks in modern criminal history. The story of El Chapo's life is filled with incredible twists and dangerous escapes. What other historical prison breaks surprise you the most? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more deep dives into true crime history.